Yo.
Yo.
What's up?
What up, fool? You ready?
Yeah.
What you on? This fool.
You already know.
This fool.
What are you doing now?
So I made the water lines. Let me turn this down, actually.
Okay.
Yeah, so I don't know how well you can see it, but I made the water lines. So I have that side and I have the return, but I just made the drain line, but it's just too long. So
Yeah.
Take it off.
Wait.
Again,
This is the line that you said you were scared to make, right?
Yeah. So I actually all of them, but they're actually like super easy.
And I told this
Super
fool,
easy.
I told this fool that he'd be able to do it. I never done it, but you know, I'm just having faith in him that you know he'd be able to do it.
It's just kind of one of those things, bro. It's like, you know, you're tired of waiting on people. You know what I mean? So it's like you just figure it out.
All right. Well, we're gonna have to borrow your whole existence for a second.
All right. Let's go. You ready?
Yeah. So the only reason why we're doing this is because I know this fool hasn't driven like a quote unquote like I don't know like modified car in a minute. How long has it been? 6 months?
Bro, yeah, long time. 6 months, yeah.
And plus, when he had his VQ, I don't know if you guys heard the story, but he had a bunch of issues with his top mount, and like he never really got to experience it fully. So yeah, that's why we're doing this. Kind of, you know, good content and to give this full like the experience.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I'm scared for the clutch, bro. It's in a minute, bro.
I don't know how bad you had it, but this one, yeah, I mean, I think it's pretty bad, but we'll see. All right, and then yeah, obviously you know the area more than me, so just go wherever.
Okay, yeah. I'll turn around right here.
Yeah.
We'll, go. Can I get it? All right, cool.
This is the second time?
Or what?
This is the second time I've been on the passenger side of this car.
Oh, really?
Ever, yeah.
Oh, snap.
Since I've owned it. And about 1 to 2 weeks will be 3 times.
Dang.
Little hint, but yeah. I'm excited though, honestly, because I haven't really like experienced it on the passenger side, because I let my boy drive it when we first boosted it, but that was like real quick, and I think he got only once. So
yeah,
I'm excited to I don't know.
See
Yeah, just kind of
different experience. Yeah,
100% different experience, everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I said, that little scraping, you just gotta be careful because it's just the under panel. So.
Okay, yeah. I know it's like pretty bumpy too right here. Yeah. The clutch, I mean, I don't know. It kind of feels, I mean, yours obviously feels better because mine felt the same.
Yeah. But
when it engaged, I just felt like grinding like in my foot, which was really weird. I don't know, but I feel like they're kind of similar.
You kind of feel it's kind of like grainy. Yeah. I see. It's cool because I thought it was just me, but
yeah. But I mean, it definitely feels different. But yeah, I think this is what mine should have felt like if it was like good. But
well, see, I made like a educated guess myself. So I figured I feel like the reason why the clutch is like that is because it's trying to grab.
Yeah.
You know, like when you're trying to go. Yeah. But like we were talking about this actually the other day, and we were saying how if you've never experienced it, you'll never understand.
Yeah.
It's one of those things.
Yeah.
It's like because like I'll go to like car meets and stuff, and like obviously it's obviously stop and go because traffic.
Yeah.
And a bunch of cars and stuff, and like I'm sitting there like trying to rev it just to kind of not be freaking jerky people like, oh, this fool's not a drive. So it's
and then like the hotter it gets,
the
hotter it gets, kind of like the more aggressive it gets. So you do have to like rev it up, and people are like, oh, you're being weird or whatever. It's like, no, let's just leave the clutch. But
100%.
But if anybody watching, don't buy the Z1 CSC for 370 because that's what I had, and I just had tons of issues. It just doesn't adjust as the life of the clutch wears. So Z-Speed has been proven.
Yeah, so, the C-Mac. So for reference too, so the Z1's it's called CNC?
CSC.
CSC. So that one's the one where you'll know because like you'll have to like do some like weird adjustments and then like you'll just know because it's more complicated.
Yeah, it has like 1 million pieces in when you buy it. So it's just a friend recommended that to me, so I'm not gonna take no chances. But I'm kind of glad it happened because again, like obviously we probably wouldn't be here today and all that, but yeah.
Facts.
Dang.
Bro, I can see why people get like I never know how to say the word correctly, but
adrenaline rush, right?
Yeah, 100%. Oh
yeah,
it's
like I'm kind of like jittery right now, just a little. Yeah. That's crazy. Yeah, there's one more little like back road over here, but dang, yeah, that was dang. Now this thing gets up, bro. What the heck? Dang, that's wild.
No, yeah, it does feel good though.
Yeah, it feels different though over there.
Yeah,
huh?
100%.
Sure. Yeah, over there, cause like I'll be on my phone, like, into the seat. So, yeah, no, that was crazy, dang. But yeah, no, that it's not, bro.
Feels good, sounds good.
Yeah, yeah, it does. This is like the perfect exhaust too. Like I really like the exhaust.
I feel very fortunate because my main goal with this car, because you know VQ gets a bad rap. My main goal with this car was to make it sound different.
Yeah.
And like literally I'm so happy because I think we achieved that.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, for sure.
So that's,
I mean, it doesn't sound like a trumpet. You know what I mean? You don't get the typical VQ stuff. So yeah, that sounds good.
That's why I'm so hyped on the exhaust. I don't think I'll ever change it.
Yeah. Yeah, no, this is perfect for sure. Especially that's low boost, like you said too. You know what I mean? Like I said, I don't even think I want to like mess with the high boost, bro. Like
that's what I say all the time. Like low boost is more than enough. There's no point of playing with high boost.
Bro, I think I got the clutch down, bro. I think I got the clutch down, bro.
That quick, huh?
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I could be just.
I mean, you've had it before though, so
yeah.
If anybody, I would expect you to have it, you know.
Yeah.
Quicker.
It's just been a minute, you know, since I have drove manual. But yeah.
Hey, bro, it has.
Yeah.
That's so crazy. I mean, it's one thing to not drive like a modded car, and it's another to not drive a manual car.
Yeah. You know, 6 months since I drove.
I don't know if I'd be able to do that. Honestly, I'd never complained a day in the life
about driving manual.
Yeah, every day. I was driving it every day.
Yeah.
At the Del Sol, then I had obviously this car, and then the ST, all manuals.
Dang. Yeah, that's crazy.
The only reason why I got rid of it is because it didn't have AC.
Yeah.
Every summer I was going through it. Every summer, bro.
Dang.
I think I wholeheartedly believe from the bottom of my heart to the depths of my soul, that's the reason why I have a high tolerance for heat now. I 100% believe that. Like, there's nothing that will make me not believe that.
Well, imagine if you were like living down here. And not, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I don't know how hot it gets up there.
It got hot, but I'm pretty sure. Well, the sun hits different out here. I'm gonna tell you guys that right now. Sun hits different. Like it'll be 60 degrees, and for my people that live in NorCal, you know, 60 degrees in NorCal is freezing, right? It could be 60 degrees out here. If that sun is out, you can wear shorts and a hoodie or shorts and short sleeve shirt. Yeah. You know what I mean? Like, the sun be busting out here. That's one thing but once that sun go away, and it gets cloudy, you better put on a jacket.
For sure.
Yo.
Right?
This is sick. Like, we just left the city, came here, and it's like, yo.
And yeah, this thing wants to get up and go, bro.
That's sick.
Yeah.
So you gotta see there's a difference between low boost and high boost. So how do you do it?
It's weird, like not driving.
Yeah. So it's canceled. Okay, so now you're in high boost.
So that's high.
That's high boost. All right, sorry guys, it got a little dark, but we're gonna do one last pull on the high boost. See if you see a difference.
Go to second gear. That's crazy. Dang. Yeah, traction control wasn't even off.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
It hooked really good.
Yeah. Ever since I got these tires, it's been no issues at all. Other tires though, bro, you would have went. I used to skate.
Dang.
I'm talking about like you hit it.
Yeah. That's wild.
Yeah.
Jeez, yeah, that's wild. Ugh. Hey, that turned out to be like.
Yeah, no, that's a very good. Yeah, that's a very good rush. I don't know how to explain it.
I saw you.
Yeah.
I don't know if they can see it in the clip where you grabbed. I saw that. I was like, oh snap. Yo.
I don't know. Yeah, it's just some hype.
That's crazy. But yeah, high boost is like if you're trying to like, I don't know, if you're like mad for, you're just mad for some reason. It's like, let me just go to high boost and just, you know what I mean? Like, ooh, like I don't know. It's like you don't need that, bro. Like that's what high boost is for.
Yeah, bro. But to think your car's gonna be like way faster than this.
I don't know.
Bro, no, what do you mean you don't know? It's gonna be way. You're gonna have 200 more horsepower than me.
Well, I mean, hopefully we'll see, but yeah, I mean, I don't know. I like I said, I just want to hit it just to say it, hit it, but I realistically, like you said, I mean, I probably would just drive around 500, 550 for real, you know. I mean, because again, stock 2J, I'm not, it can make it and they're notorious, but it's like, I want it to last, you know what I mean? Like I want it to do it. I want it to be one of those cars you just get in and go like this,
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You see, bro, we literally just be like,
bro.
I just be chilling in this car.
Exactly.
Like if I want to chill, I can just chill,
Yeah.
I don't have to worry about like. Now, granted, it is like I'm gonna say built from an aspect of like the single turbo case, so obviously it didn't come from the factory, but we had to add a whole bunch of stuff. Yeah. So like as I'm driving, I'm always checking the oil temps, making sure my AFRs are within range. Yeah. I don't know why they're like that right now, but I think the crossover probably have to check it. But like just everything, make sure it's not overheating, stuff like that. But that's what comes with the nature of building a car. Exactly. But in the sense of being able to like actually drive it like a normal person, not have to freaking I don't know, all these switches.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And then like
whole drift car.
Yeah. So from that aspect, it's like you drive like a normal car. But no, I get what you're saying. Yeah. You don't want a car that you can't really enjoy, because you gotta like I don't know. Yeah, I get what you're saying.
Especially with it being a street car, If it's a track car, okay, I understand, you gotta have your little stuff or whatever, but with a street car, I just want to be able to get in, just getting that's it, So like as if it was factory, kind of thing. So
and this is where I'm in today's video. I appreciate you guys for watching, and as always, I will catch you in the next one. Peace out, stay safe, and stay tuned.